Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another fun video all about reselling online. If you're new, welcome. I'm Quenby and I'm a part-time reseller. I've been reselling on eBay for almost 10 years and a few years on Poshmark. And I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel so you can join us for lots of unboxing videos and thrift hauls and a live show every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific. Today we are unboxing a wholesale order. I'm trying this new company called BackStock. I have one other video where I ordered something, mostly a Free People haul. It looks like this, and I was really happy with it. So let me tell you about what I got today. This time I got a mix of stuff. Yes, I got some of my favorite brand Free People, but I got a bunch of other stuff too, and it's really inexpensive. The thing that's different about BackStock is you get a membership, and then that membership allows you to shop on their site, and it's all new with tag stuff. They have all sorts of specials and deals all the time. So it's newer to me, but my last box was great, so I got another one. So it kind of comes like this. Everything or most of the stuff's bagged up. So we're just going to go through it together and I'm going to show you what I got, and then maybe you'll check it out and see if you want to try something from BackStock too. This is not a sponsored video or anything. This is me just passing on what I'm learning to you, and I share as much as I can on the channel because I believe there really is enough for all of us resellers. We don't have to be super competitive. We can help each other out, support each other, encourage each other, and all that good stuff. This feels amazing. I'm really excited about this because this is a new with tag J. Crew sweater that retailed for $118. It's a sweater dress. So it's like a cowl neck sweater dress. It has that balloon sleeve, so super trendy. It feels amazing. So this, and if I have a stock photo, I'll put it up. Okay, guys. This is the J. Crew women's wool and alpaca dress. It's an extra small. I paid 12 bucks. For a new with tags $118 dress, I can put this up. I'll check comps, but I'm hoping to get a really good return on this. It is so soft. It feels like really good quality. Okay, this next item is a Free People item, new with tags. Looks like it was on sale, so I'll use my Scotty peeler to lift that tag right up. I think I got this because it was super cheap. So this is it's a tank top. Hopefully I can find a stock photo because it's got this really cool knotted back. Yeah, I got this because it was 5 bucks, and it's the Pfeiffer twist back yoga tank top in royal blue. Pretty cute. 5 bucks for new with tag Free People. Can't go wrong. This I'm really excited about. I hope it's good. You know, you're just seeing a picture, so it's hard to tell. This is Eileen Fisher. It has a sale tag on it for $99 on sale from Nordstrom Rack. It's organic. It's a size extra small, but it's super oversized. So it's like it's sweatshirt material. Gosh, I hope I can find the stock photo because it doesn't look so great just coming out of the plastic bag here, does it? But it's a long, like, cardigan with pockets and a tie. And it's organic and it's cream colored and it's Eileen Fisher and it's new. Fantastic. So for this one I paid 10 bucks. 10 bucks for brand new with tag Eileen Fisher. That's awesome. I mean, I've done some retail arbitrage in the past. There's some videos up on my channel for when I've gone to like the yellow tag sale at TJ Maxx. I did pretty well on that, but you know, $10 would have been really cheap for that sale too. So new with tags for 10 bucks, amazing. I think that's really good. Friends, I want to make sure, have you seen my video all about using Vendoo, the cross-listing software? The video looks like this. I just want to make sure you've seen it because I talk a lot about Vendoo and cross-posting on my channel because it is the thing that has come along and really helped me change my business, scale my business, and make more sales. It's super easy, friends, to use, and I can cross-list everything I have listed on eBay over to Posh really quickly. So if you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you get set up using a cross-listing service like Vendoo because it's amazing. It's really, really changed the game for me in my business. And I want to make sure that if you want to grow and make more sales, that you know about it. And I do have a 25% off discount link in my description so you can try it super cheap. And some people have said like, I don't have time to do anything else. And I just want to assure you that I said that too. I was like, I don't know if I can try something new, but it has saved me so much time. In the video, it's a tutorial, friends, so I show you exactly how I do it and how fast it is. You can cross-post things in a matter of minutes, so don't let that hold you back. I mean, it's really a game changer for resellers, so I want to make sure you're in on it. So definitely check out that video and let me know if you have any questions or concerns or comments. I'd be happy to answer. I really think you need to go check out Vendoo. Ooh, this I got actually for my partner Peter for Christmas. So if he's watching, he has to skip this part. This is super nice. Eddie Bauer, which is a really great brand, size medium, and it's like a fleece with an Aztec print in really great colors. He's gonna love that, and he's not gonna know that I got it for only $8. I'll probably tell him because I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but as a reseller, most people are like, oh, I paid so much for this. But as a reseller, it's like someone compliments your sweater and you're like, oh, I got it for $2 at a flea market, or oh, yard sale find $1. We're like bragging about how cheap our clothes are, where most people are bragging about how expensive theirs are. That's okay. Thing, you guys know I absolutely love Free People. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got this. It was on the site for like one day and then gone, so I'm super excited. I got one of these. $128. It's new with tags, and I'm trying to get it like it's not looking gorgeous, you guys, coming out of the box. I will steam this stuff and make it look great. This is a long, gorgeous floral maxi dress, super thin and lightweight. This is the Free People Asbury slip dress, and I paid $13 for a new with tag, long, gorgeous blue slip dress. I hope it's not my size, because then I'll be tempted to keep it. But you know, I can't wear things like this right now. It's a large. It was a large too. So larger sizes are often hard to find. I don't know. I'm really digging this BackStock order. I think I got things for really good prices for new with tag stuff, current and trendy stuff. The shipping's really cheap on their site. I do have a link below that gives you like 10% off if you want to check it out.
Make sure to like and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And take 2 seconds to go ahead and like the video. It is free to like the video. So I would highly recommend liking the video right now. I always like Grateful Queen's videos because they are absolutely amazing.
Okay, so these are Denim and Supply by Ralph Lauren. I love that particular line of Ralph Lauren. They were $10. They're size 30 and they're jeans. So I'm glad I got some other brands. My first order, because I'm just like such a boho, romantic clothing, Free People lover, my first order was almost all Free People. These are super nice. Skinny, size 30-30. Women's like skinny distressed jeans, new with tags. Now let's see the new with tag. Here's the tag looks like. That's kind of a cool looking tag, I think. So it's covered up. These were on sale somewhere. I might be able to pull it off. Oh, I can't pull off the original. Oh well. It's an expensive brand, and these are really nice. A high-rise skinny distressed jeans, new with tags for $10. These are the brand Blank NYC. I actually own a couple things by this brand because they make a lot of like heavily embroidered stuff. So I have a great denim jacket from this brand that's really embroidered, and some shorts and stuff. So these are size 28. They're like a ripped, distressed skinny jean with lots of like fray and distressing. They're originally $98. I paid $10. So you go, one of the motivators for me, you guys, is that I want new with tags items in my store and closet. I think more people are shopping online for stuff like that, especially during COVID time, especially for the 2021 season coming up. People don't want to go to the store, so I'm hoping they'll come shop from us online on sites like eBay and get their new with tag stuff there. So I want to kind of be ready for that. I love these, have a raw hem. These are really nice. So what do you think? There goes the necklace. Yeah, let's try that again. So I'm happy with the stuff that I got. I'm happy with how quick they shipped it, the prices. So this is a company I'll definitely be using for my reselling business. I have another box on the way. I'm getting like everything online right now, you guys, because my stores have been closed, and then now that they're open, I still don't even really want to go because we're like in the purple for the whole COVID thing. So I'm trying to be really safe and stay healthy. I hope you're being safe and staying healthy too. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure before you leave that you're subscribed and you've hit the little like button.